In the past few years, the challenges for libraries have changed. Libraries no longer only manage classical data such as books, newspapers, and audiovisual material, but are also responsible for the provision of digital content. One of the main aims of a library should be to guide its members to the information they're looking for. Libero is an integrated library management system which is used worldwide in libraries of all types and sizes. We've integrated several Web 2.0 and social networking features into the library software Libero so that users can actively engage in finding the content they want. Libero's Web 2.0 functionality is fully integrated into the WebOPAC. WebOPAC makes the library catalogue available on the internet or on an intranet. Users can directly access the library catalogue and their user information from anywhere. Let's start by carrying out a simple search. If we search for the term Harry Potter and take a look at the results, you can see that the cover images of the media are displayed on the left-hand side of the screen. The user can even browse in a virtual shelf and take a look at the different covers before selecting a title. On the right-hand side of the screen, the WebOPAC user can use the faceted searching facility if too many titles are found. For example, narrowing the search by year, media type, branch, or author. Let's select Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. As you can see, there are a range of options at the top of the page. Web 2.0 is all about integrated content. Libero WebOPAC is fully integrated with several useful information sources. Perhaps the user wants to find out a bit more about the author. By clicking on the More About This Author link, they'll immediately be taken to the entry about the author in Wikipedia in a new window. Maybe the user wants to find more in-depth information about the book and its contents. In that case, they can choose from links to LibraryThing, Google Books, and Amazon, where in addition to finding what they need, they might even be able to take a look inside the book. With this fully integrated approach, the user has all the information at their fingertips to decide if this is the title they're looking for. But that's not all. Let's say the user decides they want to borrow this book. The user can find out exactly where the book is located in a plan of the library layout, and can also go straight to Google Maps to find out where the branch is located. All this information is accessible with just one click, and saves your members having to search through other websites. Also integrated is useful information about the library, such as contact details, branch addresses, and opening hours. Social networking is all about creating online communities. Participation is key. In Libero WebOPAC, members can rate titles and leave recommendations for other users. This creates a basis for discussion and helps bring the library catalogue alive. Like-minded users can pass on recommendations and bring up interesting points for discussion. Adding a comment and rating a book is extremely straightforward. Log in, comment, and then view your recommendation. Similar books and must-reads are also automatically displayed by Libero WebOPAC, giving members plenty of ideas for materials which might also be of interest. This interactive process also includes the library itself. Can't find the book you're looking for? The library doesn't have it? Then why not complete a request and suggest that your library acquires it? All you have to do is fill in the form and click Send. Let's go back to the main Libero screen. On the left-hand side of all screens in the WebOPAC are a number of RSS feeds. An RSS feed syndicates content from popular websites, such as the latest headlines, sports updates, weather forecasts, or blog entries. Web 2.0 has also revolutionized search methods. You may have seen this next feature on many popular websites. In Libero WebOPAC, popular searches are displayed in a tag cloud. Users can see what the most popular search terms in the system are at the moment. Clicking on a search term carries out the search immediately. Another option is the Smart Browser. The Smart Browser is a modern graphical interface which allows users to search in hierarchical structures. Relationships between search terms are displayed, and the user can see further relationships by clicking on new search terms. This intelligent ranking of contextual items helps the user to find related media easily and quickly. On the right-hand side of the window, the user can always see the results for the search term which is currently selected in the browser. In Libero, members can customize the interface according to their own requirements. For example, users can assign a title bookmarks which are relevant to them. These bookmarks can then be used to search for and organize the selected titles. All the user has to do is log in, enter the bookmarks, and then click on Save. Members also have access to their own personal tag cloud, which displays all personal bookmarks. Clicking on a term in the tag cloud will take the user to all titles which have been bookmarked with this term. The user's bookmarks are also displayed in the title record. LIBERO WebOPAC's Web 2.0 functionality also extends to members with more specific requirements. Libero is compatible with the Firefox add-in Zotero, which allows users to collect, manage, and cite sources. This is an especially useful feature for university libraries, for example, with members being able to keep track of titles important for their research. Younger library users are also catered for. If we take a look at Kiddies Corner, children can search for books using attractive pictures instead of search terms. All related items are displayed and can then be reserved online. LIBERO WebOPAC is also integrated with WebCanal, a linguistic analysis and translation module. WebCanal automatically generates various forms of the search term, in multiple languages if required. This can include different spellings, for example, British and American English, as well as plural forms and special characters. Users simply have to select the languages they want to use, then pick the suggested terms which are relevant to them, and finally, click to confirm. The search terms are then automatically entered into the input field, and the search can be carried out by the user as normal. As we've seen, LIBERO WebOPAC uses the latest technology to empower the user by putting information at their fingertips. Integrating information from several sources is the key to creating an all-round useful experience for the user and helping your library to create a vibrant online community. LIBERO WebOPAC is W3C compliant, powerful, and reliable. Libraries can even adapt the LIBERO WebOPAC to suit their own corporate identity. For example, the first Chinese WebOPAC recently went live. To find out more about Libero, or to see a live demo from one of our qualified librarians, please visit our website at www.libero.de or get in touch by sending us an email at info@libit.de.